How to turn on notification on Bumble. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on notification on Bumble. For that, you will need to first open your Bumble application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom left corner of your screen to go to your profile page. After tapping on it, you will reach to your profile page. Here at the top right, you will find the gear icon or the settings. Tap on the settings, and once you tap on it, you will be taken to the settings page. Here you need to scroll down until you find this notification settings. Once you find it, tap on it. Now once you reach to this page, you will need to ensure all the desired notifications are enabled or not. Go ahead and check on each of them to turn on the notifications. For example, if you like to get notifications of new messages on Bumble, you will need to tap on this new message option, and under it you will find two different options, push notifications and emails. Now to turn them on, you just simply need to tap on the toggle buttons at the right side and they will turn on. Also, if you want email notifications on Bumble, you need to tap on this toggle button at the right side of it and a dialog box will appear. Here you will need to enter an email address if you haven't added email address previously. After entering your email address, tap on this OK button and then a confirmation link will be sent to your email and it will ask you to confirm it. Tap on this confirm button and from now on you will receive email notifications from Bumble application. After doing it, you can come back to the previous page and here you can go through each of these topics to enable the notifications on Bumble. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.